Welcome viewers, and anyone that's subscribed, welcome back. So this is our new rig. So I just do like a little quick walk around. It's where we're going to be changing a few things on it. First things first, if you look, I mean only if you've got a keen eye, but we've got a black strip that goes around the top of the roof up there. It goes all the way around because we had an extension on the roof. None of these trucks have the same thing, but it was like a roof extension like on top of one of these. It was another bit on top, and the air filter would stick up above there. Again, we don't have any trucks for reference, but I've taken the top of that roof off to lower it down. We've cut the air intake down, and we've put a chrome one on. So it's now a chrome intake instead of the standard, just like a black plastic one. We're keeping the stack at the moment. That might be something we look at later on, but it should clean up all right when I get a chance to clean the truck. But we're going to take to a painter's, and they're going to strip that off, because what it was when the roof was on top, they put like a rubber seal and it's glued on there or something. But yeah, so they've got to take that rubber seal off. And again, if you've got a real keen eye, you can sort of see just right up in that top left corner there, it's red underneath. So they're going to take all that off and repaint that so it's all white again. These guards, you can see they're all bashed up. This one's got a pretty good gouge in it. I don't know if you can sort of see how it's gouged. Like, they do clean up all right, but more scratches. This one's not too bad on the outside. This one's pretty ugly. But what I was going to do was, I'll put this down here. I was going to pull this one off because the insides, they're all neat. So what I was going to do is pull this one off straight over to here. This one was going to go over to here, and that big scratch would be right on the inside. It'd be here, and I'll show you. Look, when you've got a trailer on, you would hardly even notice, because it essentially would be back in here, so you wouldn't even know. I'll bet on the other side. This truck's fucking filthy. It needs a fucking wash too. But I've talked to the boss about it. Oh, I'm not sure if this disconnected because I walked too far away from it. But I've told the boss, I said, look, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap these over, and he said, you know what would look better? We'll just get some new ones. Fuck these off and get some new ones. So I'm not upset with that at all. So we're thinking about maybe the plastic one. So okay, so we'll go over to here. I was thinking about, I'll take this with me because I'm not sure if I'm too far away from this, I may disconnect. I was thinking about some of these. Now, they are shit. They're a lot cheaper, but I was thinking, because I've got the red banners on the windscreen there, and then we're going to put all new mud flaps on it. So like, you've got your Kenworth little mud flaps there. Not going to change these ones because I don't care about them ones. But then I'm going to have new mud flap here, new mud flap there, new mud flap here. They're all going to be red and white. You got the chassis, which when there's no dirt on it is red, and I thought the red ones might look okay, but when you've got the option of chrome, we'll go with chrome. So we're not even going to go with these ribbed ones. We're just going to go the full, I'm not sure if you can see my hand or not, whether I'm fucking pointing the wrong thing. We're gonna have the full fucking just chromies. What the fuck is this? Is that supposed to be plugged into something? Maybe if you had some marker lights up here. Up on here maybe. But yeah, so we're gonna put the full new fucking chromies on. Should look a lot better. We're gonna get new center caps. These ones are all fucking been dented in. This is from people undoing the ratchets, letting the ratchet go, and I have a fucking swing down, hit the tyre, and then fucking swing in and hit that. I mean, that one's not too bad. Got a little dent there, but why would you buy one? You know, you buy two, and then you say, oh well, we'll come over this side, and that one's got a bit of pitting in it. That one's got a big dent in it. So yeah, we're just going to replace the whole lot. Missing one fucking two. I'm missing a few nut covers there too. I don't like that. Looks like they haven't been put on properly. The time to come, we are going to get new rubbers underneath here. They're fucked up. But we're going to get both tanks wrapped, and I am getting, talk to my boss, I am getting a drop visor. So this pissy little fucking visor there, it does do a little bit. You can sort of see it's shading a little bit, but that sun's right above us at the moment. When the sun's coming straight at you, we want to have a visor come down. Essentially, I would like for it to be a V-shaped visor, but even a flat one. I'm not sure what. So yeah, that one's just got a flat one. That one doesn't have anything. This one's got a little plastic thing that's about the same as mine. But yeah, you're going to at least get a bit of a visor like that, so you get a bit more shade and adds a bit of character to the truck as well. We're getting it wrapped as well, so chrome tanks and the chrome drop visor will be wrapped. The bar's was polished, it was a few months back. It still looks pretty good. It'd look even better when it's cleaned. But yeah, so you're gonna have your chrome bar, your fucking rounds there. The mirrors, they should clean up all right. The side steps up here's nice and clean. The wheels will obviously clean up, but there, then polishing these maybe. Tanks wrapped, new guards. If you really wanted to get into it, you could polish this, but that looks like it hasn't had any love for a long time. So yeah, just cleaning things up really, and yeah, I'll show you when we get the new guards on. They'll look a lot better. Well, how about this for a day? I could have got a photo of it with it before I hooked the trailer back up, but new guards. Have a look at this. They're a mirror finish. There you go, there's me. But yes, a lot better. And we've got some side skirts on. Didn't get it hooked up to the light, so the lights don't work yet, but that'll be next Friday. But yeah, it just gives it that little bit better of a look.